Hello and welcome. My name is Melanie Cruikshank and I am the founder of clean brand Delish Cosmetics. Started the brand over a decade ago in my kitchen downtown Toronto, and I'm happy to say we've moved up. We are a legit manufacturer now, still in Toronto, and I'm still sourcing over 85% of our raw ingredients within Canada. So we are local supporting local. We are food grade. We have been eco since day one. Our mandate for 2024 is to be completely zero waste. We're 75% there now, which is super exciting. And I am so excited to welcome you to the FAB SQUAD. That's what I call all our people who are on this journey with us, because you are just so fabulous. And I just appreciate you all so much. A little bit about Delish. I started Delish because I actually suffer from horrific acne, and it was really debilitating all through from 12 all the way until college. And makeup really became my protector. It's what gave me confidence. And when I had the opportunity to go back to school for plant-based chemistry, I was blown away about what was being put in our beauty products. So my mission was simple. I wanted to recreate my faves, my conventional designer faves, without any of the junk in it. And so it had to be cost effective, they had to be super chic, fabulous colors, and most importantly, they had to be incredible quality and food grade, as you consume approximately over 10 pounds of lip products in your lifetime. Yes, that is correct. That's including all your chapsticks and everything else. So, what can you expect from being part of the FAB SQUAD? Well, first of all, you're our partners, you're our collaborators. You're gonna tell us what you're looking for, what colors you're looking for. We're an inclusive community. I wanna hear from everybody, your skin conditions. You know, our face is the first impression that we give to everybody. So I understand how important it is to feel good in your own skin. And I'm not talking about a lot of makeup. I don't wear a lot of makeup. I don't spend longer than 5 minutes doing my makeup. If you head over to @Delish Cosmetics, you will see the tutorials that are dropping every single Thursday of how to get the trendiest looks, but in under 3 minutes, because who has time? I certainly don't, but I definitely want to feel good, and I definitely want to feel good about how I'm bringing products into this world. So let's get to know each other. Sign up for the newsletter, follow us @Delish Cosmetics, and welcome to the FAB SQUAD. I am so delighted to have you here.